Are you are you unsatisfied with your Canva designs and want to delete them and don't know how to? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hello guys and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to delete your Canva designs. First of all, open Canva if you already have not. And on the left hand side, you will see a panel having Home, Magic Studio, Projects, Templates, Brands and Apps. Simply click on the projects and scroll down. It will show you the designs that you currently have. Now you want to delete this design. What to do? Just hover over the design and you will see something like a checkbox. Simply click on it. Now you will be greeted by two options at the bottom. Let's look at them. One of them is move to trash and the other one is move to folder. Since I want to delete this, I'll simply click on move to trash. I will confirm that I want to move the design to trash, so move to trash. Well guys, that's how you do it. That's how you delete your designs in Canva. Furthermore, if you want to delete others, you can also view the images that you have uploaded or the videos. And you can also look at the designs from here in this particular section. That's it for the video guys. Hope you liked this video. For more informational videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.